1C7 connectors offer exceptional electrical performance. They're designed for ease of installation and long-term durability. This instruction applies to DIN 7/16 and Type N connectors for the 1 5/8 inch regular cable. Components in order of assembly are the back nut, clamp ring, and front nut with connector head. We'll demonstrate the use of the manual stripping tool and cut gauge for the preparation of the S-Link 1 5/8 inch regular cable. We will also be using a flaring tool for S-Link 1 5/8 inch regular cable. Please listen to the following instructions carefully before assembling. Step 1. Preparing the cable. The first step in the assembly is cable trimming. Straighten the first 200 millimeters of the cable and strip the cable jacket back about 30 to 40 millimeters with the stripping tool as shown. Slide the cut gauge onto the cable until it reaches the stop as shown. And then put the clamp ring into the cable's second corrugation bottom. Draw the cut gauge outwards until it stops and the clamp ring is completely seated. Cut the cable with a metal saw inserted in the slot on the tool as shown with an outward pressure on the cut gauge. Draw the cut gauge backwards. Then take out the clamp ring with a screwdriver from the table. The cut edge has to be clean and smooth. Rotate the stripping tool 2 to 3 turns to cut the cable end smoothly and regulate the cutting dimension. Use a brass brush to remove any filings or shavings from the foam. Step 2. Installing the connector. Slide the back nut onto the cable while rotating slightly. Push the clamp ring down over the outer conductor until it snaps into the first corrugation valley as shown. Using the flare tool or small screwdriver, widen the cable outer conductor and push the foam away from the outer conductor. Clean the cutting surface with a copper brush carefully. It is important to make sure that the outer conductor is free and clear of any foam before proceeding. Step 3. Fitting the connector head. Push the back nut outwards until the clamp ring sits in the step groove of the back nut. A slight backward pressure on the front nut. Rotate the back nut to screw them together. Using the spanner wrenches, tighten the front nut with the back nut as shown. At this point, the connector should be rigidly attached to the cable. Finally, remember to check whether the O-ring is in the right position and the cable is not deformed. You just finished the installation. Thanks for choosing Rosenberger S-Link RF cable solution for your system. Simple use, superior performance. Rosenberger RF cable total solutions, making your life enjoyable.